How to use promo code on Domino's app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use the promo code on the Domino's app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to use the promo code on Domino's app, first of all, download the Domino's application onto your device from your device's app store. After that, log in into your Domino's account. After logging in into your Domino's account, you can follow some steps. One of them is go to the checkout page. After that, after ordering your order, just go to the checkout page, and in the coupon section you just copy and paste the promo code that you have. And what happens is the discount will be automatically applied to the bill value, so you don't need to do anything else. You just need to use the promo code on the Domino's app just by going to the checkout page, and on the coupon section just copy and paste the promo code. You can also use a voucher on the Domino's app by just going to the deals page or applying a voucher or browsing your deals. To use a gift card or voucher on the Domino's app, you can just select the food items that you want to order, go to the payment tab and choose the voucher or gift card option and click redeem and enter the voucher or gift card details. After that, just click on make payment and pay any balance amount, and just like that, you should be able to use the promo code on your Domino's app very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.